Are you a spiritual entrepreneur looking to make your product stand out in a crowded marketplace? In this video, we'll explore the power of spiritual branding and how it can transform your business. Hi, I'm Binahtiyah from Aware Multimedia. I create digital marketing content for spiritual entrepreneurs. If that's you, then download the ebook in the description box below to make sure you're not making the 5 mistakes spiritual businesses make online. Imagine this. You've created a product or service that represents your core values. You know it has potential to change lives, but there's just one problem. It's getting lost in similar offerings. So how can you make your product or service truly stand out and capture the attention of your target audience? Before we dive into the solution, let's take a little bit of time to understand the problems spiritual entrepreneurs face. You see, in this rapidly changing spiritual marketplace, it's becoming increasingly challenging to differentiate yourself from the competition. People are bombarded with countless options, and it's so easy for your product or service to get lost in all the noise. Many spiritual entrepreneurs experience a lack of effective branding strategies. You may have an incredible product or service, but without a strong brand identity, it's challenging to connect with your audience on a deep and meaningful level. So how do you create a brand that not only resonates with your spiritual values, but also stands out in the marketplace? By infusing your authenticity, you can create a unique identity that attracts the right people and set you apart from the crowd. Let's explore 3 key steps that you could take to make your product or service stand out with spiritual branding. Step 1. Embrace your authenticity. The first step in creating a standout spiritual brand is to embrace your authenticity. Don't roll your eyes, you know what I mean. I'm talking about your journey, your experiences, and your personal beliefs are what makes you unique. By infusing these elements into your brand story, you create a genuine connection with your audience. Remember, people resonate with authenticity, so don't be afraid to let your true self shine through. Step number 2. Define your core values. What is the core message you want to convey through your brand? Identify the values, principles, and philosophies that drive your spiritual business. By clearly articulating your values, you create a powerful foundation for your brand identity and attract like-minded individuals that resonate with your message. Step 3. Craft a visual identity. This is where design elements, colors, and imagery come into play. Your visual identity should be a reflection of your brand's core message, and it should resonate with your target audience. So invest time in creating your logo, your website, and other visual assets that communicate your brand's uniqueness and capture the attention of potential customers. By following these 3 steps, you now know how to make your product or service stand out with spiritual branding. Remember, your authenticity, your divine core values, absolutely it's divine. Remember, your authenticity, your defined spiritual values, and compelling visual identity are the key to creating a brand that resonates with your target audience and sets you apart from the competition. Now that you have the tools and knowledge to create a standout spiritual brand, it's time to take action. Don't let your incredible product or service go unnoticed in a crowded marketplace. So start implementing these steps today and watch your business grow to new heights. Download your ebook in the description box below to make sure you're not making the 5 mistakes spiritual businesses make online. If you find this video helpful, be sure to like, share, comment, and consider subscribing to this channel. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.